Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic and powerful machines in the history of agriculture, the Big Bud 747. This isn't just a tractor, it's a legend that has captured the imagination of farmers, engineers, and machinery enthusiasts for decades. Built in 1977 by Northern Manufacturing Company in Havre, Montana, the Big Bud 747 was purpose-built for one thing: massive-scale farming. And it delivered. At the time of its construction, there was no other tractor like it. The Big Bud 747 was ordered by the Rossi brothers, cotton farmers in California who needed a machine powerful enough to handle huge tillage equipment in a single pass. What they received was a 1,300 horsepower behemoth with unmatched pulling strength and reliability. Later on, that power was boosted to a staggering 1,350 horsepower, thanks to upgrades to its 24.1-liter Detroit diesel 16V92T engine, a V16 powerhouse that is more commonly found in marine or industrial equipment than in farm machinery. Physically, this machine is massive. It measures 27 feet long, 20 feet wide, and 14 feet tall, fully loaded with ballast. It weighs over 100,000 pounds. To put that into perspective, that's heavier than a loaded semi-truck. The 8 custom-built tires stand over 8 feet tall and were originally produced by United Tire Company. Just replacing one of those tires today would cost tens of thousands of dollars, if you could even find one. One of the standout features of the Big Bud 747 is its durability and simplicity. Unlike many modern tractors that rely heavily on complex electronics, the Big Bud was built with straightforward, heavy-duty mechanical systems. This made it easier to repair and maintain, especially for large-scale farmers who needed reliability over sophistication. When in operation, the Big Bud 747 is typically paired with equally enormous implements. It was originally used to pull an 80-foot-wide cultivator and could cover an acre in under a minute. Its size, power, and efficiency made it ideal for massive tracts of farmland, particularly in the flat, expansive fields of North America. After years of work, the 747 eventually retired and was put on display at the Heartland Museum in Iowa. But in 2020, it was restored and returned to operational condition, once again pulling implements on large farms. Even now, it serves as a testament to American engineering and the ambitions of a farming era that believed bigger was truly better. What makes the Big Bud 747 so legendary isn't just its horsepower or size, it's the story it represents. A time